everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Random Blind Bag Bin. I can't wait to get these open with you. So let's find 5 things in here and get opening. Oh, cool. We've got a Yuck Grocery Gang bar. Awesome. Oh, wow. This has been in here forever. This is some LPS. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, we've got a Finding Dory Squishy Pop. This has also been in this bin for a really long time. Oh, whoop, I dropped it. A Disney Figural Keyring. And one more. Let's see. What is this? Oh, Snow in My Pocket. Awesome. Let's open them up. Okay, guys, so this is cool. I have had this in there forever. These are Walmart exclusive, little LPSs. Let's open them up. Here they are. They're so stinking cute. It's a little elephant and like a little brown zebra. So cute. I love these, which is why I picked them up, and they were very inexpensive. They were only like a couple dollars, so they came with a little bucket and shovel. Cute. Okay, let's open up a Squishy Pop. Also, guys, if you hear a weird noise in the background, that is Kiki. She is on my bed snoring super loud right now. I'm not gonna wake her up, though. That's not nice. Whoop. We got Nemo! Nemo's cute. Let's take that off. There's a little tiny fin, little big fin. Next, let's open up this Disney keyring. I really want Sadness. This figure feels kind of tall to me, so I think it's going to end up being one of the people. Nemo would be really cool too, or the exclusive, so let's see who we got. I found this back when they were on sale at Walmart. I wanted to get a bunch of them, but they literally only had this one. So, oh, I totally called it. We've got Anna. She is really cute. These princesses are like so adorable. Look at her little feet. So there she is, so cute. She's got black eyes, which is kind of weird, but, you know, that's whatever. Also, her eye on this side is a little defected, so I could probably fix that just by coloring it in with, like, some Sharpie or something. There she is. Next, I want to open up my Yuck bar. This is my second time opening these. Looks like we got another chocolate bar. Okay, that's cool. I'm hoping to get one of the flocked ones, but anybody who's kind of like weird cute is also cool with me. Okay, I had to open it off screen because I was having a lot of trouble with it. They're both squishy, so no ultra rares. Our first one is, oh my gosh, it's a little juice. Little fruit punch. That's so cute. Ha, that is funny. Okay. And next. Ooh. He looks like ketchup to me. But I'm gonna double check. Maybe he's like pasta sauce. This is Groat pepper sauce. He's a common, and this is Mucus Juice Box, and Mucus Juice Box is a rare. Very cool. Lastly, let's open up our Snow in My Pocket. I'm still missing a few. Kind of just resigned to my fate with not getting the whole series, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, something that eats steak. Are you kidding me? Oh, it's the Arctic fox. That's different than the one I just got. Okay. So I have gotten this one before. It's very cute. The last one I got was the Samoyed. And so I was like, oh no, I got the Samoyed again. But I did not. I got the Arctic fox. Very cute, but still a duplicate. Okay guys, well that is everything in this episode. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!